Police chase Hassan Ayariga over fake PhD. Yesterday, after we talked about Hassan Ayariga's PhD, he called me and said, my brother, why is it that you spoke about me? You have my number. You are always welcome to my house without any form of appointment. And you decided to go and speak the way you spoke about me. I tried to explain to him that the fake PhD that we said, the word fake is in inverted commas. And these are not my words, but the words of the GTech.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. Police chase Hassan Ayariga over fake PhD. But why is it that all of this didn't come out until now that he is standing on his ground to defend his right in his country? Why is it that it is now that all of this is coming out? Why? Guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Well, what do I know? Let's get right into the video in order for us to have a better understanding of this very video. Let's get right into it and I'll be right back.
I told him that I did not speak harshly about him. And I was looking forward to seeing him go to court to deal with the issue. In fact, we spoke very beautifully and he gave me some insight into whatever he said. Hassan Ayariga schooled in Germany. He speaks German and other languages, of course, including English. Hassan Ayariga is a businessman who does so many businesses. Hassan Ayariga here, according to him, has 2 PhDs which are honorary. In other words, people see the good work you are doing and the university decides to invite you to honor you. That is an honorary degree. But he also went into the class and wrote and researched and got a PhD, which is meritorious. And when I pushed him, he told me he got it from Atlanta in the US. ALU, if my memory serves me right. My brother, my sister, he will not answer any more questions because he wants to take the whole issue to court. There are photos of Hassan Ayariga showing certificates, in fact, PhD certificates, flaunting the internet. One of them is from the Reagan University. My brother, my sister, and the internet is awash with some of this. My brother, my sister. Hassan Ayariga is the man you see here with 2 white guys sandwiching him. And when you zoom into the certificate, it says Reagan University in America. That surely must have been one of the honorary PhDs he received. My brother, my sister. But the one he said he got in Atlanta, he researched and he wrote about political and election violence and so on and so forth as his thesis. But Hassan Ayariga has a big question. First and foremost, he said that the letter that was written to him, allegedly, on the 4th of July, for him to answer to the GTech, the custodians of PhDs in this country, never arrived. It was never written in his own words. He thinks somebody is out to get him. He thinks that they just want to embarrass him. The letter that he got was the letter that was circulating on the internet, dated the 14th of July. And that's the letter, my brother, my sister, that you see here from the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission. And if you look at the date, it's 14th. And they said, dear sir, and his doctor is in quotes. It means he's a fake doctor. Hassan Ayariga. It's a use of the title doctor, request for clarification and documentation. And that's the letter, long letter they have written. That's it. Hassan Ayariga is not happy about this. And when he received this, so many other messages came to him through friends and family. And he got so embarrassed. He sent 2 text messages to the registrar who had sent this letter to him that he had not even received yet, but had already seen it in the media. Via a phone call, Hassan Ayariga said he was contacted by the registrar, who said, "We have sent you a letter. Your letter is here." And Hassan Ayariga said, "I don't need that letter. I have seen it already in the media long before it got to me." This was the text message he sent, according to him, to the people. He said, "You have done your worst, and I take note of your actions. Rest assured, you will hear from me through the appropriate channels. Take note of the dates of your letter to me and your publication." And boom, the GTech, Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, saw this as a threat and ran to the police. And the police quickly started hunting down Hassan Ayariga. First, they sent him a message and said, "Hey, there's a report here that you have threatened GTech for clamping down on a fake or an alleged fake PhD that you are flaunting around." And Hassan Ayariga asked, "Which part of this message says that I've threatened them?" That's all the communication that I had with them, except the phone call that they sent to me asking me if I had received the letter that they had sent to me. Was that where the threat happened? Or it happened via the text message? Hassan Ayariga said he's poised to defend himself, but he said something else. He said Kwame Nkrumah never had a PhD. Why do we call Kwame Nkrumah Kwame Nkrumah? His degree, PhD, was honorary. My brother, my sister, he drew my attention to something very important. If you get honorary degrees that you cannot use, then what is the use of accepting them? My brother, my sister, he said Kwame Nkrumah, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, was never a PhD holder. He actually was given that as an honorary certificate or honor. And I drew his attention to the fact that it is not entirely true. Yes, it's not entirely true. Kwame Nkrumah started writing his PhD thesis. He didn't finish it before he returned to Ghana and started to do politics. So the university based its award of the degree to him on the fact that he had started. We don't know how much he had covered. 20%, 50%, 90%, we don't know. But I know that to qualify for a PhD, a dissertation is very important. It's one of the key things that you need to get a certificate. So yes, Nkrumah did not have a PhD, he had an honorary PhD. He asked me, Black Rasta, when you are calling Nkrumah, don't you add doctor? Why is it that I have all these degrees that are honorary and I can't use them and call myself doctor? Again, this was not the first time issues like this came up. But he says he has one that he himself sat down, went and did the academic work in order to get it. He asked one big question, the academic one, that a lot of people just go there and have. And the one that people see the hard work you put into society and award you, which one is more important? He said he will go to court and bring this rhetoric and force the nation to recognize honorary PhDs and more. In the interim, he's going to sue the GTech and prove to them that he has a certificate from Atlanta. I think he said ALU or ATU, Atlanta. I've been trying to look for that university. I haven't seen it yet. But I'll get the details and we'll look into it. To Hassan Ayariga, I'm happy the tangent you are going. Let's see where this takes us to. Maybe it will change the discourse, the rhetoric of our PhDs in this country.
Guys, this one weak me, oh, e weak me. This one weak me. You know, say something like this, I no supposed to put my mouth, but because I have Ghanaians at heart, you know, my subscribers, I want to bring it for you so you see. And again, please, I want to have a better understanding of what is going on, because at this point, I don't know what is going on. Why is it that it is now that they are bringing out his flaws? I don't know if this is true though, but according to what this man, I don't even know what's his name, is he black, blah 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 blah. According to him, like he brought out facts. Oh my god, I don't even know what to think right now. I'm crying. Yeah, I'm getting so emotional, guys. Please let me know, elaborate more about this video in the comment section, because I don't know who to believe again. I don't know who to run to. I'm confused. I'm just like a baby right now. Hey, these people, it be like say they be one people. They be one. Hey, politics. The one use politics kill us. Well, what do I know? Guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.